Think that old soda bottle is just trash? Think again. What if I told you that bottle could be your first step towards starting a side hustle or even a small business from the comfort of your home? Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you love smart DIY projects, organization hacks, and finding gold in what others see as garbage, you're in the right place. Today's video is all about transformation. Taking something as ordinary and overlooked as a bottle and turning it into something functional, beautiful, and profitable. We're diving deep into step-by-step tutorials, creative bottle transformations, and clever ways to start selling your crafts. From simple decor pieces to practical storage solutions, you'll discover how to earn real income from trash, literally. Whether you're looking for a fun hobby, a way to reduce waste, or your next side hustle idea, this video is packed with inspiration and actionable steps. Grab your bottles, some basic tools, and let's get crafting and earning. Before we jump into the DIYs, let's talk about why bottles, especially plastic and glass, are so valuable for creators and side hustlers. So, let's unlock the hidden value inside these everyday bottles. Let's start with our first transformation. These hanging planters are perfect for balconies, small apartments, or as thoughtful gifts. Best part, they sell for $10 to $25 a piece online. Place this on your nightstand or gift it as a housewarming piece. Handmade bottle lamps sell from $20 to over $50. Depending on craftsmanship and design. In this project, we're going to create some beautiful soap dispensers. These are perfect for rustic or vintage bathrooms and kitchens. People love these for their aesthetics and sustainability. A handcrafted soap bottle can fetch $15 to $30. Now let's move on to making cutlery holders. These are quick, easy, and you can batch make them. Perfect for craft fairs and pop-up shops. Price range? $5 to $10 each or bundled sets for more. Welcome to Project 5, Bird Feeders. For this project, you'll need a few simple materials that you probably already have at home. Let's dive in and create something beautiful for our feathered friends. First, gather your materials. An empty bottle, some string, and a few tools for cutting and shaping. Now follow these steps carefully. Start by cutting an opening in the bottle for the birds to access the seeds. Attach the string securely so you can hang it outside. Fill it with bird seed and voila, your custom bird feeder is ready. These bird feeders are not only great for wildlife lovers but also for eco-shoppers. Custom bird feeders can sell for $10 to $20, making them a fun and profitable project. Now that you've got 5 great DIY bottle transformations, let's talk about turning crafts into cash. Farmers markets and craft fairs are a fantastic way to start. Rent a booth or share one with a friend. Local shops often have consignment sections or areas for local products. Don't hesitate to reach out to them. Online platforms are also a great option. Etsy is perfect for handmade, eco-friendly goods. Facebook Marketplace allows for easy local deals without the hassle of shipping. Instagram and TikTok shops are excellent for visual appeal. Post your process and go viral. When pricing your items, consider the time, materials, uniqueness, and your market. Start with lower prices and grow with demand. Bundling items can also be effective, like offering 3 planters for $25. For branding and marketing, come up with a catchy name like Bottle Reborn or Trash to Treasure. Use eco keywords such as handcrafted, recycled, and zero waste. Show before and after shots, process videos, and customer reviews to attract more buyers. Consistency and creativity will make your shop stand out. Start small and stay inspired. Every bottle you save from the landfill is a step toward a cleaner planet. And every dollar you earn from that bottle proves that sustainability and profit can go hand in hand. You reduce waste, you inspire others, you create beauty and value where there was once just trash. And when people buy your crafts, they're buying your creativity and your message. That's powerful. Alright, crafty friends, who knew trash could be so rewarding? We just turned everyday bottles into planters, lamps, dispensers, organizers, and bird feeders, and then turned those into real income streams. You don't need fancy tools. You don't need a workshop, just your imagination, a bit of time, and the desire to do something great for the planet and your wallet. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more clever DIYs, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a creative hack. Got questions or want more upcycled project ideas? Drop a comment below, I read them all. And check the description for bonus tips, recommended tools, and links to marketplaces where you can sell your crafts. This is your sign. The next time you're about to toss a bottle, don't transform it. Create something beautiful, and start earning, one bottle at a time.